back to G Mama's World. Hello everybody, how you doing today? Well, I'm coming to you with eating out of your fridge, your refrigerator, and your pantry challenge by Tasty Mukbang East. And I'm still on the 30-day water challenge also. So you guys go and check her out. She has all kinds of challenges on her page that you can do either one of them. You don't have to ask permission to do them. Just comment under one of her videos letting her know what challenge you are doing. She will add you to the playlist and give you a shout out. So again, this is eating out of your refrigerator, your pantry, and your freezer challenge, and the 30-day water challenge by Tasty Mukbang East. Okay, guys, so we're going to get started. I'm coming to you with the seafood ball. I'm trying not to hide my face while I'm talking, but I'm coming to you with the seafood ball. Today I have mussels, eggs, let's see if you can see everything, shrimp, corn, snow crab legs, and I think that's it. Eggs, mussel, corn, potatoes. Everything is hidden under the beloved sauce that I made today. That video will be coming out, well, tomorrow. I don't know when this video will be coming out, but anyway, I made fresh beloved sauce today from one of the subscribers wanted me to make some and make a video, so I did that, and it will be coming out, like I said, in the morning. I don't know when this video is going to be coming out because I'm going live every day. So when I don't go live, that's when I will be putting the video out. So here we go, guys. We're going to pray and we're going to get started, okay? Amen. Well, the phone cut off, but anyway, I'm glad I wasn't eating. Okay, guys, let's get started. I just had this little decoration. I'm gonna lay that down. All I did was steam this in the pan with some butter, and it already had the seasoning on it. It was a bag that I bought at Walmart, and it had the shrimp, the mussels, and the snow crabs inside of that one big bag. It was a lot of shrimp, so all the shrimps are not in here, but it's a whole bunch. But I still have a bowl full. I think they put more shrimp than snow crab legs. But anyway, we're going to get started with this and get on out the way. I forgot to bring something to put this in, but you know me, I always forget something. Okay, oh, that's good. I got me a fork here to get my stuff from the bottom. I've been talking about this seafood ball for a couple of days now. And I'm just not doing it. And I want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for coming into my live every day, because you could be doing something else instead of attending to my live. Especially on your Saturday, or if I go live Sunday. So I want to thank you guys for that, because you didn't have to do it. You don't have to do it. So I want to thank you guys for it, for doing it. But this is some fresh beloved sauce, so y'all already know it's hot. But I used a tablespoon instead of the teaspoon because my brother likes it. So I made it a little spicy because you can't make it either or. You have to make it either hotter or not hot. So since he likes hot, I'm gonna scoop this up. Since he likes hot, I just went on and made it because I can deal with it. It's not that spicy. I'm not gonna fall out or nothing, but you know me. Oh, y'all. This here thing, snow crab leg, it's like it's a king. I forgot my little thing to get all my meat out of here. My little crackers and all that. I forgot all of that, y'all. I ain't had none in so long. I forgot what to bring to the table. Forgot what to bring to the table. But anywho, I'm gonna get it out. I'm gonna get it out. Y'all, I was looking at this movie earlier. It's called The Escape Room. On if you had a Fire Stick. I don't know if it's on Netflix yet, but it's a good movie. It might be on demand. It's a real good movie. It's called The Escape Room. And I'm also looking at, what is it called? With the lady that plays on Empire. I don't know how to say her name, but I don't want to jack her name up either. But you know the lady that play on Empire, Cookie? Her new movie. I was looking at that today, too. I'm going to finish looking at it because I fell asleep. So, but so far, it's a good movie. Y'all ain't had these in so long. Oh, y'all, I am so sorry. I am so sorry, y'all. Gee, mama, forgive me, y'all. Forgive me. All the juice is at the bottom, guys. But here you go. There you go. Sorry. All the juice is at the bottom. Y'all see all that juice? So, give me my egg. I got my egg floating in it, though. Hey, y'all know I share everything. These shrimps here are good. I don't know what the season was that was in that bag, but all I did was it had shrimp, mussel, and snow crab legs. It cost $25, and it's called I think it say mixture, but anyway, it's at Walmart, and it's real good when you want everything. And you got everything in it. Like I said, it comes with a lot of shrimp. And I have a lot in this bowl, but I got a lot still over there. And it's already seasoned. So what I did was I poked a hole in it, because the directions said boil water in a 6-ounce pan and pour it in the water. So I just punched holes in it, and I put mine in the microwave. And I let it cook like that, because it's already cooked. You just really warming it up, because the mussels are already open and everything. So I just punched, when I saw that the mussel was already open, I put it in the microwave, because I didn't want the mussels to overcook. And once it came out and the season got through it and everything, then I had some butter and stuff on the stove. I had it already melted and hot. I poured it in there. Once I poured the juice off, I poured it in the pan, and I let it simmer in the butter. So, it's real good. I thought about showing you guys once I done it. You know, things always come to you when you're done. But it is real good. Real good. It's not over seasoned. It's not salty. It is real good. Mm-hmm. And I got all these onions in here. And the ginger. It's a lot of onions and ginger. I put a lot this time. Because last time I had more juice than onions and stuff. I like the onions. I love the onions and the ginger. Yeah. And I cook it in that beloved sauce and I let it simmer. Mmm. 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 It looks like spaghetti. But I let it simmer. That way it gets all into the onions and everything. What is it? Oh. I know I'm not going to eat all these shrimps. In this bowl. Here's my corn. It was soaking in that beloved sauce. Let me give y'all a piece of corn. Hold on. Here you go. There y'all go. Oh, y'all see all that seasoning on there? Mmm. The corn hot. Everything in that sauce is hot. Mm-mm. Let that sit right there. Y'all, the sauce is on the top, so that's why I'm not dipping. Because I poured it on here. I've been wanting them snow crab legs. I have king crabs, but I wanted snow crabs. Them king crabs get you full too fast. They get you full way too fast. Yep. Where's my fork? Oh. Oh, and for all my new family members, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. And Trayvon. I'm gonna get that baby name right one day. He's one of my teenagers. He's 13. I want to thank him for the shout out on his video the other day, and all the people that's coming from his channel. Welcome to G Mama's World. I hope you enjoy my content, and I hope we can stay connected. but I want to thank him for shouting me out in his video. And along with Miss Leo Love 79, Tasty Mukbang Eats. Y'all know she's always calling my name in something, a challenge or something. And Sister D Kites, Two Fab Six. All these are my sisters by another mother and father. Sister, not sister. I said sister. Lisa, it's Lisa Michelle Show. I want to give her a shout out to her and her husband Carl. They are such a joy to watch. You all go over there and check them out. Tell them G Mama seen you. The other people you already know. You should already be visiting them. But Lisa Michelle, it's Lisa Michelle's show. She's a new member to the family. Like I said, her and her husband Carl is a joy to watch. They're very funny. And if you like me and like funny content and content that you enjoy watching, then you want to go and check them out. And yeah. So, y'all do that for me. Y'all G Mama's so hungry. I'm going to start waiting so late to eat. Because when I wait too late to eat, I'm starving, and then I don't eat that much. Let me see if my corn is, y'all, I haven't had no corn since my last ball. And I'm trying to think when that was. I've been grinding so on live. But I said I want to at least try once a week, putting out some kind of video. Besides my coupon. It's raining, y'all. They come out. It's gonna snow. I hope not. They say it's supposed to, but I hope not. Y'all, I do more cleaning than anything, don't I? I know y'all don't miss this. I know y'all don't miss this. Me using up all this paper towel. I know you don't miss that. I know y'all don't miss that. But y'all already know I don't like nothing on my hand. And I think I be doing good because this here, you can't wash your hand too many times with this cause your hand just gonna get dirty. Ain't nothing in here. It's good I had this fork. Because if I didn't have this fork, I'd be messed up. Because I know how to do it with the fork. If Uh-oh, I learned how doing it with the fork before I was doing it with the scissors. Yep, yep, yep. I'm glad this sauce is hot because my food is still hot. Especially these legs sticking over like that. This is so good. Y'all, I'm finna start learning how to get me some software. But you that don't know, I got my computer. So I'm finna give me some software so when I give people a shout out, if I don't, can't pronounce their name right, cause y'all know G Mama tie tongue and honey. Some of them words be sounding like something else. But I can put your name across the screen. This here thing full of meat. It's all in my nail. It's so flaky. So flaky. Y'all, I thought I was gonna have T9 this weekend. Well, I was with her yesterday, but I thought she was gonna spend the weekend, but she went to a party today, so that's changed her mind. She talking about, let me see my comments. I told her Beloved commented on her video on Instagram. She liked it. And she talking about, let me see it, let me see it. She loved Beloved. So, but all the kids do. So I told her Beloved liked her video, and she wanted to see it. And I read all the comments from YouTube and Instagram that people left. And she likes when people leave comments about her, Yeah. I'm trying not to drink up my water, y'all, because I didn't bring but one bottle. I'm so tired. I don't be thinking. Well, I need to get a potato because I'm getting full. That's why I say when I wait so long to eat, I got another corn. When I wait too long to eat, I get full. And my potato. Here's some egg. Give y'all a piece of egg. And what else y'all didn't have? Potato. Here's some potato. That's what y'all didn't have, potato. The potatoes are so good. It's soaking down in this blood sauce. And they are so good. My husband will eat the rest of this. He's not going to eat the mussels, though. He don't like the mussel. He's not going to eat this corn and this egg, so I'm going to have to eat it. There's the shrimp and the potatoes and this lady here eat. I have to eat all the mussels out of here. Yep. God, oh, that mussel empty. Empty, 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 empty. When I was putting it on the plate, this bowl, I think that's the one I ate. I saw it floating around in the butter. And that was the one I ate. That's the one that tried to get away. Try to get away. And those who be watching my church, Full Gospel Holy Temple of Dallas, we will be going live tomorrow morning at 11:30 and again tomorrow night at 7:30. I want to thank you guys for watching it. I have several people on my channel that watches it, and I do appreciate it. Maybe one day when you're in Dallas, you'll get to go with me. Be my guest. Ooh, look at that, child. Look at that corn. Look at that corn. Look at that corn. Look at that corn. Let me, y'all. That juice went way over there. Way over there. It was full. I don't know if y'all ever heard of Restaurant Depot. You can get you mukbangers. You can get a case of corn on the cob, and they are so good and sweet. I don't know where they get their corn from. It's better than Green Giant, and it's real good and sweet. And you get a case of 96, I think, for $18, unless it's on sale. So me and my aunt is supposed to be going next week, and I'm gonna give me a case of corn. And I'm gonna see how much they seafood there. Yep. It's just like Costco and Sam's. You have to have a card to get in there because they mostly sell to the stores. But if you, like, at church or whatever, you know, they give you 3 cards per every tax ID number, so that's how she got a card. I had one, but mine's expired. Y'all, this piece of egg. I need to take these mussels out of here. Because even if my husband don't eat, Terrell will. And he don't eat the mussels either. How many is that? 4 or 5? 6. Boy, they give you a lot of shrimps in that bag. Y'all need to go get that. That's enough for 3. Okay, the shrimp part is enough for maybe 3 people. But the mussels and the legs here, maybe 2 people. Well, it depends on how you eat these, because I ate 1 and I'm full. When normally I eat 2. But like I said, when I wait so late to eat, you know, my appetite goes. But those shrimps, it's enough for shrimps. And this bowl is still full. Still full. And like I said, I still got a half a bowl over there. So y'all may want to go get this at Walmart. And it is very good. It is $25, but it's worth it. You got shrimp, snow crab, and mussels in here. All I did was add the potatoes, the eggs, and the corn. That's it. It had the little season, and that season is very good and stuff. But you know, I buy it like this here. That way I don't have to cook this, because you know, I don't like my shrimp boiled. I like my shrimp sauteed. So the way I did it tonight, 1 pan. After I took it out the microwave, normally I have 3. So, yep. Oh, that was the egg. Let's scoop this up. I don't have no juices. But that egg fell off in there, and I thought it was something else. Yeah, the other piece. It's getting all on the table. Oh, I almost dropped that water, y'all. That would have been a mess right there. Because it's pointing in my direction. So it would have came woo that way. It would have came my way. My way. So, y'all, I'm full. I am full. I ate a whole lot. I ate a whole lot. Y'all see that bowl? And that bowl was full when I got here. It was full. But it's just too many shrimps. I can't eat all those shrimps. And these mussels, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's all right. As long as they get the potatoes and the shrimp and this here, I'm fine. I'm just full. But once I get full, I stop. Yeah. But I want to thank you all for coming to join me with another seafood boil featuring Tasty Mukbang Challenge. It's the eat out of your fridge, your refrigerator, and your pantry challenge, along with the 30-day water challenge. So, like I said, y'all go over there and check her out and get one of those challenges and do it. Come in on one of her videos and let her know that you're doing it, so she can add you to her playlist. Along with that, she will give you a shout out, okay? And tell her that G Mama sent you over there to get one of her challenges. Okay? Yeah. I'm getting full. Okay, guys, I want you to comment down below what you thought about this challenge and what you thought about this seafood boil. I know it's been a minute since I done one, but comment down below. Give me a thumbs up. Share this video with each and every one you come in contact with. That's including your family and your friends and your co-worker and everybody. Hit that notification bell so you'll know every time I come back with another seafood boil or anything that I'm eating, or either when I go live. Hit that notification bell so you'll know. Because if you don't hit it, you're going to miss out. Hit the red letters until they turn gray. Okay? So we can become one big happy family. Okay? And now I'm going to see y'all in another video. Be kind to one another. Be sweet. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. If I don't see you till Monday morning, y'all be sweet. Okay? If ain't nobody told you that they love you, always remember G Mama love you, T9 loves you, and Jesus loves you. Until I see you in another video, you all be sweet. Peace.